Today, I'm going to show you a simple fix that will improve your GoPro's recording capabilities. This is an easy fix that you can make for zero amount of money from things you have at home. For example, cut two little pieces from an old fluffy toy and stick them onto the GoPro's housing. As you will see in the video, the difference is quite noticeable. I have already ordered a wind slayer from eBay and I am going to test it as soon as it arrives. So let's see how this little modification actually sounds like. As you can see, even though the modification did improve the sound quality, there is still a lot of noise coming back to the video. Let's see the second test in which the bike runs at lower speed and see how it performs. Okay, so, this time the audio was actually better, but this is definitely not a good solution if you want to create content from vehicles being at higher speed. I'll come back to you with a video testing the wind slayer soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.